you ever felt like managing money is way too complicated? Like, no matter how much you earn, at the end of the month, you're left with nothing. Or maybe you keep hearing words like investments, mutual funds, inflation, and you're not really sure what they mean for you and how they fit into your plan. Trust me, we've been there too. And that's exactly why we created this course, to make personal finance simple and actionable for you.
Welcome to the basics of personal finance, your ultimate roadmap to understanding and taking control of your money. Whether you're a student, a young professional, or just someone who wants to stop feeling lost when it comes to your own money, this course is for you. So what exactly will you get in this course? Through this course, we bring to you a step-by-step guide to managing money, building wealth, and investing smartly. Real life, relatable examples, no boring theory, just practical advice. A simple roadmap to financial confidence, covering everything from saving to investing, insurance to goal setting. Easy, beginner-friendly strategies. No confusing jargon, just real solutions that you can apply today.
In this course, we'll break down finance into 6 easy steps. And trust me, by the end of it, you won't just understand money, you know exactly what to do with it. We'll tackle the most common concerns you have, like I don't know where to start with investments. What if I lose my money in the stock market? How do I make sure I'm saving enough? Should I buy a house or keep renting? And so much more.
Why is this course different? Look, we know that there are a million finance courses out there, but most of them are either way too basic or way too complicated. What we've done is try to bridge the gap. We take complex financial concepts and break them down into simple, actionable steps that actually make sense for your life. This isn't just another finance course. This is the course that will finally make finance work for you. And the best part, you don't need to be a finance expert. You just need to be willing to take that first step.
Now, why should you listen to us? You must be wondering, right? Why should you trust us with your financial journey? Well, here's a little bit about us. I'm Saili Rai. I'm an MBA in finance from Babson College and I hold a BSc from the Stern School of Business at NYU. I used to be an investment banker at Citi where I worked on high-profile financial transactions. But I realized that while the big corporations had access to the best financial advice, individuals like you and I were often left confused and overwhelmed. That's why I became a founder and created FinCocktail, to help people like you take control of your money and build real wealth.
And a little bit about myself. I'm Niyati Thakur. I've cleared all 3 levels of CFA and have a BBA from Kingston University. For over 5 years, I've managed high net worth portfolios at ASK Wealth Advisors in Mumbai, where I helped clients invest and build their wealth strategically. But here's the thing, managing money shouldn't be reserved just for the wealthy. Everyone deserves access to financial literacy, and that's exactly what we try to bring to you through this course.
By the end of this course, you'll have the confidence to make smart money moves, grow your wealth, and secure your financial future.
So if you're ready to take control of your money and stop feeling overwhelmed by finance, click below to enroll now. Let's do this together.
Enroll today and take your first step towards financial freedom.